Happy Tuesday! Welcome back to Calendar with Miss G. It is Tuesday. Let's hop our arrow over. Tuesday, April the 6th. Ooh, tomorrow Maverick's birthday. We'll get to sing happy birthday to Maverick in our afternoon class. Tuesday, April 6th is our day today, though. See if we remember Tuesday. Do you remember? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is our day today. We're going to show some more time today. Today, I'm going to tell you a time again, just like yesterday, and see if you can show the time. Today, I want to see if you can show the time 5:30. 5:30. So when we think about half past, what does that tell us about our time? Think about it being on the hour and half past the hour. Give you a few more seconds, and then I'll show you my big analog clock. Did you make your minute hand come all the way down to the 6, right? When it's at or on the hour, right? It's at the top. When it's half past, it comes halfway around. And our hour, because it's always going around from 12, back to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's 5:30, 5 after 5 comes 6, so it's in between 5 and 6, so it's 5:30 or 5:30, right? When we count by fives, there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. When we get to the top of the hour, we start back at 0. So 5:30, or on our digital clock, it would say 5:30. How did you do? Getting a little trickier. We got to make sure we're ready for 2nd grade. I know you guys are going to rock it out. Your teachers are going to go, wow! Okay, let's take a look at our number today. Today, I see our number is 78. So when I write my number for 78, so it has that 70, 7 with that TY. 8 is our funny number word. EIGHT. It's a pretty funny word. 78. 78. We know it's a 2-digit numbers, and 2-digit numbers always tell us how many tens and how many ones in that number. So take a look at it. How many tens do you see? How many ones do you see? Are you ready? I'm going to write mine. Tens and ones. Did you say 7 tens and 8 ones? 78 is 7 tens and 8 ones. Okay, see, what about if I want to show it with base 10 blocks? 78. Give you a few more minutes. 78. Think about those tens and ones, right? Those base 10 blocks help us with that place value. You ready? Did you do 7 tens, 7 big lines? 8 ones. I did mine as 4 and 4. Or you might even see it as 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. I just remember 4 and 4 makes 8. I liked to do it that way. 7 tens, 8 ones. Okay, so if we say 78. 70, I hear that 70, right? That's our tens. 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then we have 8 more for our expanded form number sentence. 70 plus 8 is our number 78. There are tens. There are 7 groups of 10 that equals 70 plus our 8 more. Okay, so if 78 is our number, think about our number. Do we know what is one less? Just before it is 77, right? It's like if I take one of those ones away, there are 7 left. 77. What would one more be? Ooh, I about wrote the wrong number. I about wrote one more. I gave you the answer. Did you say 79? 8, one more is 9. Now we got to think about our tens. 10 less would be like taking a group of 10 away, right? We have 78. 10 less is 68. Our ones stay the same. It's just like taking one of our 10s away. Now we're back to 78. What if I add a group of 10? Did you say 88? There would be 8 groups of 10 then. Still have our 8 ones. Very nice. Okay. Yesterday we got all the way up to 130 days. Oh my goodness, you guys are so smart. 130. We are going to add always one more. Oh, we know what 0 plus 1 is, right? Just a 1. So now we have 1 up here. 3 10s and 100. So remember, we squish it over. We still know this is our 10s and our 1s when we think about the 2 digits, right? When we say our number, we think about the hundreds in that third spot. 100. 3 10s, 1 1. So I would say 100. What are those 2 digits together? 31. Yeah, 131. It is the 131st day of first grade. Or we could say we are 131 days smarter. We are going to add another sticker. We're adding looks like a buttercup maybe. We are starting to build our next group of 10 down here. When we get 10 more, we know we'll get to 140. But right now we just have 130 and one more, 131. Okay, our last thing before we leave today. Our piggy bank is feeling empty again. Today, he will be happy when we are able to put 87 cents in his tummy. 87. Can I start with 3 quarters? Let's see. I remember that's 50. What's a third quarter get me to? Do we remember? Oh, I remember I left it on the chart. Here was 1 quarter. 2 quarters got me to 50. 3 quarters got me to 75. And 75 is less than 87. It's hard to see. It's right down there, though. It is less than 87, so I know 3 quarters are okay. Ooh, check it out. If 75 is less, could I add a group of 10 to it? Let's take a look. 75. I remember 10 more. The magic of the 120 chart. 10 more is always right below it. So could I add a dime? Well, that didn't work, Miss G. Could I add a dime? Yeah, because 85, I still need 86, 87, 87. Then just 2 more. Okay, so let's see if that makes sense. So 75, 85, 86, 87. Woo! This is the least amount of coins that we could use. Now, we could take a quarter. What do we know a quarter is made up of? 2 dimes and 1 nickel. I could trade it out for 2 more dimes and a nickel. So let's see. Take away a quarter. Put 2 dimes and a nickel with it. Well, I know 5 and 2 is 7. That works. 50, 60, 70, 80. So there is 87. So we could do 2 quarters, 3 dimes, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Or Could I trade these 2 quarters for what? 50 cents would be the same as 5 dimes. Okay, let's see if that works. So we should have a total of 8 dimes after that, right? If I add 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. Nice job. We did 3 ways to make 87. Our piggy bank is happy. See you tomorrow for Wednesday or hump